welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we are going to be doing some Halloween shopping. Yes, you heard that right. Halloween shopping in July. I don't know why, but I just thought to myself, I want to go out and see what kind of Halloween stuff they have in the stores already, specifically Homegoods, because I know they put all their stuff out early, and if you want the good stuff, you gotta snag it early or you will be shopping through the slim pickings. So that is what we are going to do today. I'm going to take you around and show you all of the things I shopped through, and then I will show you my haul of everything that I brought home. It is almost that time of year again. I can't believe it, but I wanted to see what kind of stuff they had in the stores. I haven't been to Homegoods in such a long time. I was so surprised how much Halloween stuff they already had out, and I am so excited to see all of this stuff. It is one of my favorite holidays. It is just so fun. I just love all holidays. I think like Christmas, Easter, and fall and Halloween are some of my favorite times to decorate for. I said I really haven't been buying much decor this year, so when it comes to holiday decor, I like to go all out, and it was just fun seeing all the stuff they have in the store. And look at that pink candelabra. I was thinking about decorating my she shed for Halloween, but I probably need to get that painted first. But I thought, oh my gosh, that candelabra would be so cute. And there's also so many Rae Dunn items. Look at the shelves, stocked full of them. Such cute little kitchenware items. I found so many goodies that I brought home with me, and I will be sharing those with you in just a few minutes. I really liked those cauldrons. I have no idea where I would put them or what I would do with them, but I thought they were so cute. I just have a weakness for all this glassware stuff, and I really don't have a place to put it, so I'm going to have to come up with something creative so I can have a little display of the finds that I get. Plus, I already have stuff at home that I have to go through. But like I said, I didn't have a whole lot of Halloween stuff out last year, so I'm excited to find some new Halloween pieces this year. I absolutely love that pumpkin pot, and I'm pretty sure I have a white one that I got last year, but those are always so adorable if you ask me. And look at all the dog pajamas, and they had dog Halloween costumes and so many fun toys for Halloween already. Alright, you guys, time to hit the checkout line, and then I will share with you everything I got whenever I get home. Alright, you guys, I am ready to give you my Halloween decor haul. I don't know what it was, but the other night I was watching my fall Halloween home tour from last year, and I was like, well, this is kind of boring. I wanted to just make it a little bit more exciting this year and do some more decorating for Halloween, because the majority of the decorating that I did was for fall, so I wanted to add some fun Halloween touches this year. A long time ago, I used to decorate all out for Halloween. I would have huge Halloween parties. I had the big animatronics and just so many Halloween decorations. I just quit doing that whenever we moved into this house because it wasn't like a big old spooky house, so I just found it hard to decorate. And I don't really have a lot of places to sit things, so I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do yet, but I wanted to add some more fun Halloween things to my house this year. So the first thing I picked up was this adorable pumpkin for the porch. This is so heavy duty. I don't know what it's made out of, but it's really heavy and really thick. It has got this hole in the back so you can put like a candle or a tea light in it and light it up. Look at its face, isn't it adorable? I am just so obsessed with these. They had them in orange and they had like an orange one with a top hat on, but I just thought he was so adorable and I had to have him for my front porch, so that's why I'll be putting this guy this year. And these would even look super nice on like the mantle or really anywhere. It's just a really nice staple piece. You just can't go wrong with beautiful jack-o'-lantern for Halloween. This one was $19.99 and I had to get the big boy version. Oh my gosh, this guy is so heavy too. I wonder how much he weighs, but this one was $34.99, and if they would have had more, I would have got them because they are just so nice and I love them so much. But I think these are gonna look really nice on the front porch. I'm so excited to decorate. All right, now on to the little tchotchkes and little fun decor pieces that I got. And this one is my new Halloween prized possession. A Mickey pumpkin or a Mickey jack-o'-lantern. Oh my gosh, I was so excited when I saw this. I snagged it right up. I love it so much. It also has a little hole in the back so you can put like a tea light in it and light his little face up. And the top comes off as well. I am so obsessed with this. I was so worried about his ears on the way home that one might break off. And he was $14.99, so I'm so excited. This is my favorite purchase for the day. So hopefully I can find some more fun Mickey Halloween stuff. And then let's see. Then I got these cute pumpkin salt and pepper shakers. I just thought they were so adorable. I love their faces. They kind of look like scarecrows or something from The Nightmare Before Christmas or something. But even if I don't put salt and pepper in them, I think they would be cute to like sit in a little tiered tray or just kind of tuck in maybe my coffee bar or something. But I don't know why they're so adorable. I had to pick these up. They were $12.99. I think I saw these last year and wanted to grab them and didn't end up getting them, and I couldn't find them again. So I'm super excited to have stumbled upon them this year. That is why I like to go early, because sometimes they just don't bring the stuff back. And then I decided that I was gonna do a Halloween tablescape this year. I haven't done one before. I always do a fall tablescape, but last year I bought some Halloween plates on clearance at the end of the season, so I thought I might as well get some more stuff to go with it to make a Halloween tablescape. So I picked up these cute napkins. They're black with the spooky eyes on them, and the eyes say they're glow in the dark, so that is fun. And it was a set of 4 for $7.99, and yeah, I just thought they were cute for my Halloween tablescape that I'm super excited to plan. I also got these spiderweb placemats. I thought they were adorable. They're kind of like almost a glittery look, and it's a set of 4 placemats, and they were $14.99. And you could even use them like in the middle of a table to set something on, but I'm going to use them for my tablescape. And I thought these napkins would look cute. I think they had some like white or cream napkins that had spiders on them. But even though this is a spider web, I just hate spiders, so I didn't want any creepy spider napkins because spiders just aren't cute. Wait, actually, I take that back. Have you ever seen those TikToks of those cute little furry jumping spider and it talks with that really cute baby voice? Oh my gosh. Now that is an adorable spider, so maybe there are cute spiders in the world. There were so many Rae Dunn Halloween pieces. I would have been so excited if I was still collecting it. I always was on the hunt for the Halloween and Christmas pieces, but I don't collect them anymore. But I went ahead and picked up this one because, I don't know, I just like decorating with ghost. So I got this cute ghost guy that says boo. I thought he'd be cute to tuck into my coffee bar, and this was $14.99. And speaking of ghost, I got this super cute ghost candy dish. And isn't that cute? I figured I could put like some creepy gummy worms or something in his mouth. You just reach in and grab them out. And I think it will go nicely with all of my ghost decor. And he was $14.99 as well. I don't know why, I just love all the ghost stuff. Probably because they're all white and they kind of like go into my decor, and then I could just pop some little pops of color in with them. But I'm super excited about this candy dish as well. Now the next thing I got are these pampas grasses, and they're kind of like stiff. I have some that feel just like this and they're pink, and I thought I could take those out of my vases and put these black ones in, and they would look really spooky for Halloween. And I have them in my family room, so I put all the black bats up, and I thought this would look so fun to decorate with. And look how pretty they look together. That would look so stunning in like some big vase as a centerpiece, so I had to grab them. They were $16.99 for a set of 3. And the last thing I purchased was this adorable beaded pillow. Oh my gosh, I don't know what, I just fell in love with this. It looks like Oogie Boogie, and look how pretty the beading is on this pillow. I thought this was so fun for Halloween. Like I said, I was kind of bored with my home tour. I wanted it to be a lot more fun and colorful and exciting this year. So I thought this pillow would be great. This one was $19.99, and I think he would even look cute right here in this chair whenever you walk in. I'm not sure where I'm going to put him, but he is going to be a super fun addition to my Halloween decor this year. I love this color. So as you can tell, I am really excited to start decorating for all of the upcoming holiday seasons. I will have so many videos of shopping and decorating coming on my channel, but I'm not going to be decorating anytime soon. I just wanted to get a head start on the shopping and share with you some of my finds so you can get out there and score some too. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!